Heyo, it's me Harper Savage, and today we're doing another DIY calendar page. Look at me on top of things for once. So today we're going to be using some Posca markers on this calendar page. I've already pre-picked out all the colors I want to use. Now this is a monarch, which I figured out from my handy dandy little book here that it's a monarch. I knew it was one, I just wanted to be sure so I can tell everyone up front I'm not coloring it like a monarch. You've got a problem with that, then leave. No, don't leave, I need you, please. I want to try out some Poscas today because they are technically acrylic paint pens. So I just wanted to see if this would work out on this paper. This paper is very textured. I don't know, it seems kind of thirsty too. Yeah, very, very thirsty. I'm torn between making the petals yellow or making them orange because I don't know if I want the center of this to be yellow or orange either, but those are the two colors that I'm gonna be coloring this. So I'm gonna do yellow just because I'll be able to see the drawing better through it. There's a lot of detail in here. Now for the background, I'm thinking it's gonna be like a grassy field or something behind it, so I'm gonna color it green for now. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking this would be easier if I had a thicker Posca marker. Well, I don't have one. This looks terrible. But you know what? Art is like bruises. It's gonna get worse before it gets better. Right? I am choosing to somewhat go lighter than start darker, just in case I change my mind about what colors I want. Also helps with the layering process. Alright, so the first layer of everything is on here, and it's looking really patchy and gross, but I have hope. All right, I couldn't get this one to look as vibrant because there was a layer of green underneath of it. It doesn't look that bad on camera, but in real life they are like vastly two different looking flowers. But you know what? It's fine. It's in the background, so it shouldn't be as bright, right? But I don't think I would recommend using Posca on this paper. It's heavily textured and it sucked up all the ink, and it even made one of my markers flare more than it already was. It was already like doing it, but if you have one that's running out and flaring, I don't recommend using it on this paper. It's just gonna make it worse. Yeah, I do like it. I think it's pretty cool. I added a flower and I added in grass, so there was a lot more work put into this one. So I hope you guys did enjoy it. So if you want to see more of my calendar making, you can go ahead and click up here. And if you just want to see something funny, you can go ahead and click there. I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Don't forget to do all the cool YouTube-y things of comment, liking, and subscribing. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!